Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the EAFC24 Directx error. In this video I have four methods to fix this error. And the first method is disabling the firewall. This might help eradicate the Directx error. So to do that you go to settings or you search firewall in start. You see Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead and click on it. And you see this option, turn off Windows Defender Firewall. It would ask you for your PIN or password, input it, and you can turn it off for a public or for a private network. After you've tried that and tested that, you can turn it back on because you usually want to have your firewall on. The second option is to update your Directx. The first thing you want to do is check your Directx version. So you open the run dialog. To do that, you press the Windows key and R. Type in dxdiag. Click OK. And you see your Directx version here at the bottom. Exit. Then let's go to settings. Go to Windows Update. Check for updates. Right now I have no updates, but then you can also go to advanced options and click on option updates. You can see there's 0 available, but if you have any, be sure to update your computer to update your Directx, as there is no standalone Directx update from the Windows site. You have to update it through your Windows updater through settings. Then the third option, second to the last option, is to update your NVIDIA. So to update your NVIDIA or AMD or Intel drivers, let's go ahead to our browser and we want to search NVIDIA drivers, and you see download the official NVIDIA drivers. Click on it. And then in this search bar, you can search for your graphics card, whether it's an RTX or a GTX. You can search for it here and find your particular graphics card and update the driver. We can just replace this with AMD for the AMD driver. You don't need to download the latest drivers. And you click here. This will help you auto detect, and as you can see, for Windows 11 and 10 and Linux, you can download your AMD drivers or you search for it here, your particular AMD graphics card. Then last but not least, for Intel, let's search Intel drivers. And you go to this website, this link, Intel. You search for your particular graphics card, or you can go to graphics directly. And you can see different drivers to download, and you can also filter by product, filter by dedicated Intel Arc. Then the last method to fix the EFC24 Directx error is to run the AFC app as administrator. I will just show you with any application now how you can do that. In Start, you can just go and right click on the game. I'm going to use this Mario 90 game as an example. Right click on it and click Run as Administrator. And this might fix your EAFC24 Directx error. Obviously, you will click on the EAFC24 EXE and not Mario 90. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.